What's up, guys? So we just went hiking, and it was raining too. There was like a thunderstorm. So when we got, see, there's a big puddle right there. There was a lot of stuff like that, and that over there was that's my dad, and on top of my dad is my little sister, and then that's me and my siblings. The one in the blue shirt is me, and the one in the white one is my older sister. And we were like, it kept on raining. So there's a big puddle right there. Now I'm just gonna leave this camera view. Never mind. And there's like big plants and dead cut down trees everywhere. And that's my dad and my little sister again. That's me. There's a big puddle. Right over, we always keep on falling down. And so, yeah, guys, peace.